Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to allow camera access in Chrome on your Android phone. If your camera isn't working on any website, this video will fix it. Let's get started. First open the Chrome app on your Android phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Scroll down and tap on site settings. Now tap on camera. Make sure this toggle is turned on. If it is off, Chrome will block your camera everywhere. Below that, you will see websites listed under blog. If you see any site you are trying to use, tap the website, select allow. Now go back to your site and refresh the page. Your camera should work instantly. If the camera still isn't working, you may have disabled your camera permissions for Chrome in your phone settings. Here is how to check it. Click on the below Android setting, tap on app permissions, tap on camera and set it to allow. Once you fix this, Chrome will able to use your camera. That's it. Your camera access in Chrome is fixed. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.